Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing this popular party chips, Ghana party chips, or we call it savory chips. It's so delicious and addictive, and it's very easy to do. So come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. If you're an old subscriber returning, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. It's so delicious, and I tell you, you will love it, and it's very easy to do. So guys, I have my flour here. I'll put all the measurement down in the description box, and I'm going to add some salt and baking powder. It's a very easy recipe. I tell you, you will love it. And I'm going to add some butter to it as well, and make sure that you incorporate the butter into the flour really nicely, okay, by using your fingertips. It works really well. So come along with me. The next bit is to put some blended garlic and onions in here. I'll put the measurement down below, and the water that I'm using to mix it, I use that to blend the onion and the garlic. Yeah, so just come along with me. As you can see, we cut it nicely, put a bit of flour there so they won't stick together. So come along with me and let's fry our chips. So guys, as you can see, our party chips is done. It's so tasty. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. It's lovely. You are going to really enjoy it. Try this recipe and I know you love it. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.